Alright guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be showing you how I gained 3+ subscribers and 1.6 thousand views off like a video that took like 5 minutes to make. Here's the idea, but you can blow these videos up simply by just posting one every day and get like millions of views. You see, my quality is not that good of a video, but I'll show you it. I recorded this background. So as you can see, that's all I did was record the background, which took the longest, and then edit. Well, editing it didn't take that long, but in the first 4 hours, I've gained 3 subscribers. Which, if you want to see my channel here, this is the analytics or this is my channel right now. 4 subs. One of them is my other account. So I got 3 subs. I got the business email right here. Then we got the video, and then we got these 2 videos, Roblox Rivals for the first time, and then how to play City Skylines 50 minutes Paradox Launcher. And then I got the post, Insane. This is one video also. Then I got this one. And yes, I am trying to make a Roblox game. I'm not sure how to make it, but I can get the map down. If someone can figure out the game system, like the gun system, I'm wanting like maybe a laser tag game. Maybe Nerf gun battle, something like that. That'd be a fun game to make. But as you can see here, this is my analytics off that one video. 4 hours ago. So it's gained 500 views and 30 subscribers in 4 hours. For my channel with 1 subscriber, that's mid. I mean, that's pretty good actually. But as you can see, it's flatlining. At 3 subs, my analytics, I mean look, 1:57 p.m. in just 1 hour gained 600 views, and then it skyrocketed. But okay, here's the short speed, other YouTube features, channel pages. Okay, there's just my analytics. How long was that? That's 2 minutes. Dang, that's a long time. But what I did is I posted this to both TikTok and YouTube. If you want that TikTok account, here it is right here. Hold up. Let me just go to TikTok. Here, we're just gonna search up TikTok. Make your day. Don't worry about that. I don't even know what that is. Okay, 3 followers, 10 likes, or 11 likes. I do have my TikTok. Oh, 800 views. It's gained quite a bit. It's called, the name of it, the nickname's Vlogs Rift. And then the other actual ad is Pixel Plays, because that used to be my old account name. But yeah, I don't know what I just opened. So yeah, as you can see, same exact video, same everything. Here's the first thing I did. I went ahead, hopped on Roblox, and then went here. Oh, don't worry about this. I don't know why that pops up every time. Go to front lines. Oh my gosh, this stupid crap. Cannot like, and I have to wait like a certain amount of time before once the circle ends. So I'll just show you right quick on how I record the background gameplay. Just cause my mouse like to not work. Okay, there we go. They're just gonna run around, play for a couple minutes. I just trying to get an overhead view. But that's about all you want to do is just play for a couple minutes, as I am right now, for about 5 minutes. The videos are not going to be 5 minutes, but if you want to split up the video into multiple parts, you can. So yeah. Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and leave the game. We're gonna go ahead and head directly into ChatGPT. Then if you look here, here's my prompt. Roblox, Reddit. I messed up. I messed up bad. But then I scrolled down. It said all this, and I didn't want to do it, so I just said TikTok. It said POV, and then I just went like this. Copy, and then pasted, and then I opened my browser. Went ahead and searched up 11 Labs. Here, I'll just do it so you don't actually accidentally click on a scam. 11 Labs right here, 11labs.io. Log in. You'll be able to see, you can see my prompts right here. And that's what it gave me. Copied it. Or no, I copied that from ChatGPT. Okay. And then I put it into this. Like, I put it into text to speech. And then I copied, and then I went down here beside the generate speech and it said download. I downloaded it. Okay. Then I opened CapCut. It's to edit a video already. You can add the fade out, which is here, search at fade out right here. Okay. Then we can do media. So you click import. You'll see the little green plus or blue plus that says import. Import, grab the video, put it in here, and then just start splitting it up. Make it a little bit shorter. Make sure the video doesn't go over like 35 seconds. Nobody's gonna watch 35 seconds of video. And make sure it's got the hook at the start. It's like, wait until the end of this video, or we're gonna be showing you, or I'm gonna be teaching you, or this is how, this is how to get 100,000 views on YouTube, or 1,000 subscribers, or 3,000 subscribers, whatever. Okay, this how to get monetized, something like that. Add a little bit of hook, because if you want to see my analytics on some of my other videos, my video analytics, let's go into channel analytics and then content, shorts, and then you can see like this one maybe analytics, 66 views. That's not what we're talking about. Engage, average view duration. That's mid. Okay. 18 seconds is mid. I guess it's the other video. Another underrated game. Analytics, engagement. 16 seconds. I think I had another video, whatever. They watched for 1 minute. I had 1 minute and 7 hours. So yeah. But then you're gonna paste that to that, and then you're gonna go in here. You're gonna have the audio, and then you're gonna click audio, import, and then import, and then go to downloads, grab the audio, put it into here, drag it down into here, somewhere under here, and then stretch the video with the audio, what audio is gonna be, and then bam. That's all you should have to do. And then if you want to add the fade out, just go to effects, fade. If you want to do just fade in or out, you can, or zoom. You can also do zoom or whatever, effects. Make sure you have good effects. Then what you want to do is you're going to go to text, auto captions, English, or whatever your caption you want to be. Don't do any of this. Besides, you can do AI emojis, but anything with the diamonds on them, don't do. And then you're going to do generate. And then you're going to add the captions. And then once you add the captions, If you click on or whatever, it'd be over here. Click your style, do all that. Make sure it's a cool style. Make sure it looks nice and smooth. Then you're gonna want to go to audio for like music, like violin. This has the diamond, but I did lazy afternoon for one of my videos. Not for this one, but that's what I did, lazy afternoon. And I exported it, and that's the export settings. You're gonna do 120 FPS. I do 1080p because it's faster and it's mid quality. I don't really know what bitrate means, so I just put on recommended. I don't know what that means. Space. And then you can name it so you can find it easy, or you can move the file location to a certain file. Then export, and then once it's out, you're gonna want to go ahead and download it. And here's what I did. As you can see with this video, I already had the tags. Then the main tags, most important, I just copied the code. Okay. I put it in here. I click create, select the file, add the file, copy the code, put it in there, and yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye.